Good afternoon. Thank you, Brad and Howard. I'm Michael Shapiro, Managing Director of Synthesis, and I've been with the company since 2003. I have a passion for fintech, and since completing my electrical engineering degree, I've been fascinated by how technology and information security is shaping financial services and other industries. From the time I joined Synthesis 18 years ago, the company experienced year-on-year growth in all key metrics: team size, key customers, revenues, and profit. It is my pleasure to take you on a short journey and show you how Synthesis has achieved these amazing results. 2020 was no ordinary year, and now 2021 has started off as a tough and challenging one for all. However, the opportunity for Synthesis remains robust and encouraging, as confirmed by the quote from AWS CEO Andy Jassy regarding growing cloud adoption and the desire for digital transformation, as per the McKinsey survey listed here. Our strategy over the past 12 years to focus on digital and then cloud has meant we are well positioned to drive this transformation towards digital adoption at our customers. We have the experience, thought leadership, market position to further take advantage of these trends. While we believe that there'll be demanding times ahead for the remainder of the calendar year, we are cautiously optimistic about Synthesis's prospects due to the way we have set up the business and the high demand within the areas that we operate. Our 24-year history and the development of RegTech, digital, cloud, and now AI and managed services delivered success in the past. We have always targeted both long-term strategic growth while never losing sight of short-term and consistent profitability. This can be seen in 2014 when we achieved 24% CAGR profit for the 10 years prior. This strategic and financial diligence remains at the core of our values. At the same time, our attention was deliberate on areas of technology that would provide the highest impact for our customers. This was done by tracking international trends and partnering with global tech providers such as AWS, our partner since 2016, in advance of other players, then rapidly skilling up in these areas and commercializing the relevant product or service offering. We intend to continue this trajectory of strategic growth, and the presentations later today from our team will demonstrate this. Our industry experience is focused and resolute, and we have targeted very specific domains. We have found success in the banking, capital markets, insurance and lending, and the retail sectors, with the healthcare and telco sectors to follow. This success is demonstrated by the long-standing key customers listed here, plus many others we have showcased in prior results presentations. The two key factors driving our success are customer obsession and a culture of innovation. This approach has led to a track record of many years of successful project deliveries at blue chip and prestigious enterprises in South Africa, Mauritius, and now Hong Kong in the Asia Pacific. We list major banks, retailers, and financial service providers as key customers. We'll continue to grow our existing base and look to win business with new customers. As shown in the matrix of our service offering, we provide these customers with a multidimensional and growing portfolio of services, which are complementary and relevant to an enterprise demanding a modern technology landscape. We will showcase 4 of these areas today, namely cloud services, digital, intelligent data, and our academy. Finally, Tom Wells, our CDO, will present Synthesis Labs, our R&D area, which is constantly looking for the next new opportunity for Synthesis and to successfully commercialize it. Note that cloud activities generate approximately 40% of income, digital also approximately 40%, RegTech 15%, and the others currently make up 5%. We target high-impact technology services, which have the opportunity for annuity income and for growing our intellectual property portfolio. Reference our Halo tap-on-phone product in the payments and crypto division, bottom right of the slide. We're not performing a deep dive into Halo today, as we showcased it in the prior capital appreciation results presentation. However, we're progressing this initiative at a rapid clip, and we will keep the market informed of these developments. We strive to provide relevant technology services where the competition is low and the barriers to entry remain high. At the core of this success is the capable and qualified software developers and solutionists, currently totaling 157 professionals. We have a mix of team members with 30 years plus experience and others with youthful passion, such as our graduate recruitment intake, 11 of whom started in January. In fact, one of the graduates commented to me in the orientation session that he was born in 1997, the year I started my career in software. We recruit individuals who have the virtues of humble, hungry, and people smart, and we steer their continued learning and growth, as evidenced by the 200 professional certifications and 195 degrees and diplomas attained and held by the Synthesis team. We're explicit in recognizing, explaining, and protecting the culture that has been behind Synthesis's significant growth. We think we can still significantly grow our talent pool while retaining top staff. Our track record of staff turnover is on average less than 12%. This metric is better than the industry norms, both locally and internationally. Synthesis is a stable company and is a wholly owned subsidiary of Capital Appreciation with a healthy balance sheet. It provides our staff comfort and job security. We offer exciting work, a culture of entrepreneurship, and diversity of thought. Plus, we value the contribution of key team members and publicly recognize their achievements. This sets us up for future organic growth. The case for fintech service providers, such as Synthesis, remains strong. The global expectation for fintech growth is high. This is highlighted by the 5 trends identified by Forbes research, namely digital-only banks, RegTech, banking the unbanked, and the adoption of contactless technology. Synthesis is well positioned to capitalize on these areas. We see growing demand for these services locally, and we are deliberately targeting international expansion in these areas. A lens on global partnerships for Synthesis will drive this strategy. This includes both our existing partners, such as AWS, and new ones, such as tech heavyweights, Salesforce and Cloudflare. We are constantly looking for opportunities in the market to provide exponential growth in the areas mentioned here. New synthesis offerings, such as Halo and our AI services, and providing innovative solutions for the unbanked will be areas of focus. As mentioned earlier, international trends and research guides our strategy and service offering. EY identified these 6 trends for fintech. We intend to focus on all of them. However, we're still searching for the commercialization opportunity with the customer for number 4, blockchain, over and above the value of a Bitcoin portfolio. We continue to drive these opportunities under the astute guidance and leadership of the Capital Appreciation Executive. We do this in concert with our payments division portfolio companies, DashPay and African Resonance. We look to progress both organic and acquisitive opportunities to expand our reach in these areas. The remainder of the Investor Day webcast is a deep dive into 5 areas of our business. I'm sure this will demonstrate how we are driving revenue, growth, and strategic thinking for the company. Thank you.